Something that people should come, visit and experience. We have a solution for everybody under one roof. 18,000 square feet of bedroom sets, dining, sofas, everything. It's a one-stop shop for a person who's looking for a complete home. Of course, even furniture also. Beds start at 35-40,000 rupees. I can give you an entire bedroom set for a lakh and a quarter. I can give you fabric sofa starting at 50-60,000 rupees, and I can give you even a leather sofa set for a lakh and a quarter, a lakh and a half. That's something, as I told you, it's something which people are going to see. If they should come and see it to believe it.
Sir, a lot of companies is there in the market. So what's the specialization of Khazana Group and
the range?
Quality?
How are we different? We do a lot of research. We visit all the fairs, be it Italy, be it Spain, be it Germany, be it Malaysia, be it Hong Kong, Singapore, China. We visit all the stores and we try to handpick products. We make sure that we pick up the best product from across the globe and bring it to Hyderabad and beyond very soon, and give the best to the customers. We do manufacture. We do have our own manufacturing, but then essentially we are looking at in Khazana and beyond, looking at more of imported furniture. We have an entire range of bedroom sets, sofas, dinings, a lot of arts, accessories, paintings. As I told you, it's a one-stop shop for anything and everything that a person would need for home interiors. Of course, see, for a typical store like this, you need investments of more than 5 crores. I cannot be commenting about others, but one thing for sure is, by God's grace, by the support of the clients, by the support of our well-wishers, we have been doing extremely well as a group. We are looking at expansions of Kozhini to the other side of the town also, and of course in the next few months we are looking at expanding to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. So that's going to be another model which we will launch very soon. Thank you very much.